Okay, dear biker community, I am at Rider Mania 2019 with my Himalayan, and I just was doing a slow ride, and this is what went into my tire. And luckily I found a stall which is here, and they have this product called Seal In. So this actually seals your tire from inside. You just have to put it once. So this is what the puncture was. So this was inside. It's a twin puncture, and they did it live in front of me, and it's sealed now, and I can ride my bike back. So they give you a guarantee till the next change of the tire. So I suggest all bikers can close your eyes and go for this, and ride safe, ride free. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. கொஞ்சம் அடிங்க, இந்த ஹோட்டல் அடிங்க. ஓகே, ஓகே. இப்போ இது போட்டு சுத்துங்க. நீங்க இதுல போடுங்க, வண்டி செக் பண்ணுங்க. சீல் ஆயிடுச்சு, சீல் ஆயிடுச்சு. 100% சீல். See, you are the live example. Today's Rider Mania example. Thank you.
Good product.
Thank you.